Hi darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day and another wonderful session on pocket option. I'm really excited about today's one because I decided to make it a little extra special and start with the tiniest amount. Well, today I'm gonna go for 20 bucks on my first bead, and I just love to see how far I can go. You know, starting so small and gradually building it up. So let's find out together. I am really intrigued and ready to play. So let's go for it, okay? Candles and one for the time frame. I'm going to enable the timer and I'm gonna pick my superheroes of the day. The super trend, and I'm also gonna need the Dungeon channels. All right there, and the stochastic. All right, and let's see, right about there. Yeah, that looks good. Well, let's take a look together so I will explain. You see, the super trend is giving us a buy signal and the price holds above the Dungeon midline. Right there. And stochastic still has room to move, so everything points into one direction, and that is option up. Let's go for a long, let's go all the way up and secure the profits. Guys, and if you are wondering how trading really works, you want to learn that and you want to build your results consistently, I have a solution for you. Below this video, in the first pinned comment, you will find a link, and that is the link to my Telegram channel, where I share everything, literally everything I know and learn about trading with you. $38.40. Beautiful. And the first result is here. How wonderful is that, guys? So let's see, what can we do? Not sure if this asset pair is good. There was a lot of sideways movement. So let's take a look at the Euro and Australian. I think it's got some great potential. Yeah, let's go for it. $38.40, and let's go right away. You see, we are breaking below the Dungeon midline, and there is a strong bearish trend starting right after a hammer. You see those candles? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And stochastic confirms the downside. So put option all the way down. Let's do it. Let's do it and let's get it. Speaking of going all the way down, I've been trying really hard to go and downsize my closets. When I started making really good money in trading, which was years ago, but I really love to splurge. Like I think I became a shopaholic. I definitely had, and maybe I still have, a bit of an obsession with clothes, but I just feel like it should be balanced now. $73.73. Look at the beautiful number. Amazing. I love the beauty of the number, and I also love that we are growing. All right, next pair. Let's see what's been happening here. And $73.73 for the next one. And I see that we are standing at the super trend line, expecting a breakout lower. We already fixed under the Dungeon midline, and stochastic is showing some downside potential. Darlings, loud and clear, it is a put option. Let's drop it like it's hot. Time to get that drop. So let's do it. My dear friends, and if you love the educational approach to strategy, I personally believe that's the best way to learn. I think you will definitely enjoy my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video in the first pinned comment, so go check it out. And come check it out. $141.56. Wonderful result. Okay, next asset pair. Well, let's see the history here. And all right, I'm going for a max bid, $141.56. And tell you what, a very strong bullish trend. I'm sure you can see it too. And the price just keeps climbing higher and higher. The super trend supports growth, and stochastic also points for continuation. So we're gonna go all the way up and observe these green candles get brighter and bigger and higher. And while we're enjoying this process, please drop the line in the comment and tell me about your possible obsessions. Because my obsession with clothes, it's been out of control for quite some time. Like, I just keep buying and buying and buying. And when I've noticed that it's kind of like got the power over me and I just couldn't stop. I couldn't stop smiling. $271, my new profit. Fantastic, just fantastic. Oh my goodness, very well done. I'm going to increase the bid to the max, $271.80. And I'm keeping the same asset pair because we are still running long without any pullback. You see, there is a very strong buyer on the Aussie dollar, and that is exactly the reason why I just entered another call option. When it's time to buy, it's time to buy. And guys, if you see that the pair still got great potential, just keep riding that wave. Honestly, just pay attention at all times what has changed and what hasn't, and act accordingly. That is definitely a key. So right, yeah, my clothing obsession, I'm truthfully dealing with it now. I've decided I need a little detox so I don't go shopping anymore. Well, not for the past 2 weeks. $521.86. Oh my God. Amazing. Amazing. Simply wonderful. Okay, I'm going for a maximum bid here, $521.86. And guys, actually, this is very interesting. It's a similar setup here on the AUD and CHF, and Aussie is showing us strong fundamental driven growth across the board, and trend continues without any retracements. So once again, call option, let's buy, let's go all the way up, okay? Because that's the only way. And here we go, $1,001.96. What a beautiful number. Guys, it's actually majestic. I started with 20 bucks as my first bid, and I grew it to $1,001.96. 97, sorry, my bad. But it's beautiful, from 20 to 1,000 within a matter of minutes. I hope you find this very inspiring, darlings, and I really enjoyed today's session. And if you want to grow your trading account, build consistent results, and learn how trading actually works, I've got you covered in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video in the very first pinned comment, so go check it out. I'm sure you will enjoy it. And thank you for bringing me so much joy and happiness by watching this video. Sharing my trading sessions with you is definitely one of my all-time favorite obsessions. Thank you. You are awesome. Stay this way, and I will see you soon.